Hello guys, what's up? I hope you'll be fine and good. Today we have some tutorial about the object modeling in SketchUp and it's related to the kitchen sink. So before we start this video, like and subscribe us for more free tutorials. So let's get to work. In this case, I'm going to start with the window in here, click on the model info and change my unit from meter to centimeter. So all of the lengths, area and volume must be converted to the centimeter. And now I'm going to start my modeling. So I'm going to close this window in here and I'm going to draw some rectangle with some dimension about 100 to the 60 and press enter on my keyboard. Now I'm going to use push or pull option in here, press Ctrl on my keyboard and extrude this face about 100 centimeter. So I'm gonna click this line in here and take some copy of it about 12 centimeter and push it a little bit to the back side about 2 centimeter. Now I'm gonna use this line in here and take another copy to the midpoint and I create my unit and cabinet in here. So I'm gonna start with the offset option in here to create my offset lines for my kitchen sink, and the measurement about the offset is 3 centimeter. So I'm gonna click on the extrude option in here and push it to the back side about 24 centimeter. So I'm gonna click on it and convert it to the group. So now I'm gonna click on the rectangle again and draw some rectangle inside the sink and click on the extrude option in here and extrude it a little bit to the upside about 25 centimeter. So I'm going to use offset option again and click on it to create my inner offset about 1.6 centimeter. So now I'm going to use this line in here, take some copy of it to the midpoint, or I imagine I have some sink with 3 type of boxes. So I'm going to take another copy to the midpoint again. Now I have my sink in here. So I'm going to use offset option again, but this time I'm going to use the inner offset about 2 centimeter. I'm going to adjust 2 centimeter for all of them and fix them. So I'm going to clean all of these extra lines and edges. Now I'm going to use push or pull option in this place and push it my sink back a little bit to the 22 centimeter, 22 centimeter and 22 centimeter. And now I'm going to push it back a little bit, something about 1 centimeter, but it's related to you and it depends on your project and your job. So I'm going to extrude this face a little bit to the forward, about 8 centimeter, and I think everything is done right now. So I'm going to start with detailing these type of kitchen sink in here, and I'm going to start with the floor of it. For this reason, I'm going to use the offset option again to create my sink budge about 18 centimeter in here and something about 8 centimeter in this place and another 8 centimeter in this place. I'm going to select these face in here, or I can select these multi faces together. Now I have move option in this place. I'm going to press Alt on my keyboard and now I'm going to bevel it, but not to the upside, to the downside, and it's about 2 centimeter. I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. When you get near to this object, you can see this bevel lines get downstairs, but maybe it's not very sensible. So I'm going to use offset option again and create some offset like this, about 2 centimeter in all of these walls. So now I'm going to select these lines in here and I'm going to move it like the multi-movement about 14 centimeter. So I'm going to use push or pull in here and push them a little bit about 1.6 centimeter. So all of the things has been done in here, so I'm going to convert it to the group, but we have some tab in here. So I'm going to draw my tab with the align option and using follow me job. If you want to learn more about the follow me job, you can watch my previous video about follow me tool in SketchUp. So I'm gonna draw some line about 8 centimeter in here, and I'm gonna increase the height of it something about 24, and another time on the green axis I'm gonna follow it to the 12, and another one about 12. So I'm gonna use the 2-point arc in here and create some edged arc about, maybe I think 8 centimeter is good, and I'm gonna press enter on my keyboard. But not like that, so I'm gonna edit my face like this, and now I can delete these extra lines in here. So I'm gonna click on it, click on the paint bucket in this place, go to the tenet info and increase my segments to the 32, and now I'm gonna use the line option in here and draw some line about the maybe 8 centimeter. So I'm gonna click on the eraser, delete these extra lines in here. So I'm gonna click on the circle because I have some circular tap in here. It's the water tap and used for the dishwashing. So I'm gonna select my path like that and click on the follow me in here. So as you can see, we have these tap in here, and you can materialize it very simple and easy, or delete these things in here. You can click on this space in here and use the scale option to rescale your job about 1.25 in here, 1.25 in here, and another 1.25 to the other sides. Very simple and easy, and it works diagonal. As you can see, we create this tab in here, so I'm going to click on it and convert it to the group, and you can move this group everywhere you want, for example this place. As you can see, it's really useful and it's help you in your 3D modelings. So now I'm gonna model these doors in here. So I'm gonna use the rectangle in here again, but this time I'm gonna convert it to the component and press create and the component option and take some copies on it. So I'm gonna click on it, extrude it a little bit about 1.6, and now I'm gonna click on that, flip it to the red direction. So I'm gonna click on the extrude option here and extrude it a little bit about 1 millimeter. As you can see, we create the cabinet in here and everything is done right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support till now. I hope you be well and good and you enjoyed this video. I love you guys and goodbye.